Hi everybody, Everton Zaquini here. Today let's talk about rock and heavy metal. If you like to improvise over these genres and you always using minor sounds and you're trying to sound like similarly every time that you play, I would give a tip to you where you can use major sounds and make your improvising sound more interesting. Let's practice. Alright, I will just give you a quick example using the minor pentatonic and then change the interval to a major one. And it will make lots of difference in your sound. What I like to do to get this different sound is get the minor pentatonic here. So we have the minor pentatonic. And then I change one interval. So we have the pentatonic, the first, minor third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, minor seventh, and then our root again, and then it's just repeat. So what do? You change here my minor third to a major third. So I have two more minor thirds, so I will change to major thirds here. So I have this first one here, I become major third here. This one here on string 3, I will change here. So I have instead finger 1, finger 2. And then here I have another minor third, I will just change it to major third. So this scale I will just change here. So instead of play here, here. Instead of play here, I will play here. Instead of play here, I play here. This is a major pentatonic, the dominant 7th pentatonic. So when I'm improvising, I'm playing the minor pentatonic, and then I use the major third to get a different sound. The next step is to analyze the harmony. Before we start to play, do this change, you have to know the harmony. When you play rock, you have many chords with power chords, where we just play the chords without third. So when you play a power chord, sometimes you can change the scale that you're playing over this, because it doesn't identify as a major or minor chord. So when you're improvising, you can just choose. Another thing is the characteristic of the harmony. For example, this backing track that I'm using, there's a chord progression, which is A flat power chord, or A flat 5, F 5, and C. So I can think of over this chord. This is a tip for C minor, so you can to change for C major. I think as a A flat major, F minor, and then instead of C minor, C major. You can have this chord progression, minor and C minor, or that I like. So when you're playing over B flat and F minor, you can think C minor and then C. So minor, minor, major. I'll play one more time, but now you'll say when I will change the pentatonic scale. First part, minor pentatonic. I keep minor, now major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, and then only minor. You can do it with other backing tracks in other keys on YouTube. I'll just give you one more example using an E minor backing track that you can apply the same idea. So for this backing track, you can use E minor pentatonic, first pattern here, and then the same thing you can change. So you'll keep the same structure, just change your minor third to a major third. This backing track, the first part is basically E minor pentatonic. In the middle we have a part where we have E, D, A, and C. Then E, D, G, A. For this part is when I change the minor and major pentatonics. And here I use, when the first time that gets the E minor, actually I will make a major because it's power chord, so I can change. D, I will keep the same idea, major pentatonic. And then when moves to A or when moved to G, I will use the minor pentatonic. All minor pentatonic. Also some parts you can use minor scale. Now, minor. Pentatonic. Minor scale. Major. Minor, major, minor, then you can use the whole fretboard. That's it for today. So you can check the other video that I'm improvising using more techniques, a little bit faster. So it's in C minor, but using the same ideas. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, ring the bell, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See ya.